Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix colors in paint. First, let's grasp the fundamentals. Primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. These cannot be created by mixing others. Secondary colors, like orange, green, and purple, are formed by combining two primary colors. Tertiary colors result from mixing a primary with an adjacent secondary color on the color wheel, offering a wider spectrum of hues. Now, let's create those vibrant secondary colors. To make orange, simply combine equal parts of red and yellow paint. For a beautiful green, mix blue and yellow in similar proportions. Finally, blend red and blue evenly to produce purple, also known as violet. Experiment with slightly different ratios to achieve various shades of each secondary color. Beyond basic hues, you can adjust a color's value and saturation. To lighten any color, creating a tint, gradually add small amounts of white paint. Conversely, to darken a color and form a shade, mix in a tiny bit of black. To reduce a color's intensity or saturation, introduce a small quantity of its complementary color. For successful color mixing, always start with small amounts of paint and add more gradually until you achieve your desired hue. It is crucial to mix your colors on a separate palette, never directly on your canvas or artwork. Remember to thoroughly clean your brushes between different color mixtures to prevent muddy results and maintain color purity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.